Hi all, Mads Beckhoff from Kaiser Power Electronics here. Today I'm at the HI Expo, which is a tech industry expo in Herning, Denmark. And yeah, let's just walk about, see if we can find some power electronics. Else, let's look at lasers, robotics, and so on. Let's take a tour. So right now I'm in the department or the hall for welding, robotics, and so on. There's a lot of showing off co-welding robots here. Take a close look at this pipe welding robot. It can simply pick up a T-piece and then starts welding. Of course, all in demo mode here. It is mostly machining equipment that we find here. Here we have some CNC machines, automated machining hardware. Over here is Masantia and Coherent, which has a quite interesting sintering. So here we can actually see metal being formed by laser welding metal dust. Here we have a small showcase of a high voltage transformer along with the low voltage distribution panels and controls and touchscreens. Here's a booth from a machining factory which does RF enclosures and equipment.
Om 15 minutter kl. 13 kan du opleve ikke-ting fortælle om deres automatiserede tomatfloder.
Down here we can see a duplex module which is machined out. You can actually see the different resonators put into the cavities here. And other RF parts, two-part enclosures, whole RF machined enclosures completely. Very nice work. This is a Wago Open Linux controller. Just check out that rolling display there. That's the first time I saw inputs and outputs programmed to work as a scrolling display. Also MakerBot present. A lot of 3D printing technologies. But what we have over here is the exact metal printer, which actually is a copy machine. Can copy metal parts. So you simply insert a model and you get a exact copy in metal. That's quite impressive to see how far this is moving so fast. Here we have a nice smart recorder, probably for power quality measurement. Goes on up to the 1500 volt power supplies. Some nice fluid programmable power supplies here. Goes on here to some sonic measurements equipment. Here we have a sort generator to actually simulate transients on the net when you want to test your EMC compliance of a apparatus. Got some precision power analyzer, isolation transformer, and then up here we have various high-speed data loggers, wireless loggers, displays for them, some more power analyzers, solar equipment. And here we have a nice Rhode&Schwartz 2.5 gigasample 200 megahertz as far as I know. Very nice piece of equipment. Wish I had the money for that. So there's a whole hall dedicated to a food contest. Here you can taste absolutely everything. And over here we have a ice cream tasting. Creams, whipped creams, creams with flavors. Further down the aisle is all kinds of manufacturers here. But down here we also have a cheese tasting. But I think I'll go for the ice cream tasting here. So after a good 20 scoops of nice ice cream, I do not quite feel like digging into these cheese tasting tables, but that is just insane. That is so many different products. Yeah, I'm just gonna pass that. Now here's the tasting more like me, the beer. And I'm back where I started. Been all the way around now. And this is a combined CNC and laser cutter, which can exchange those two workstations. So we can just go around here and take a look at this laser nozzle. Comes up there from the laser power supply, which is actually not that large, but as we can see, it is water cooled. So I guess this is it for today. A lot of low voltage and consumer gear on this Expo. A great deal. It's taken me a good 4 to 5 hours to get all around. But I hope you enjoyed seeing a few of the things here. I did not get that much into detail. There's a lot of people here. So I had a hard time filming some of the really well visited booths. So until next time, see ya.